Getting it in.
These birds are kissing, like for real kissing.
Look, this one looks like that's me. Yes, we're gonna.
You know she gonna be pregnant by the end of the day.
Look at him. Oh my gosh. I just saw Slaughter, I promise. This other bird coming in like, hey.
Threesome.
Hey, what y'all got going on around here?
Look.
Let me get some of that. Oh my god.
They running her.
Oh, she's a shock. This other one about to get mad. Look at the one on the left getting mad.
Mama.
This is some freaky shit. She like gone. You didn't want none last week. Now you gonna come over here when you see me in my
Come
new
here
book.
to me when it's in the basket.
I'm going back to my
They're
baby.
home. We lost Peter.
Oh. Wow. Oh, look, he like, get out of here. It's my girl. I have never in my life seen that like this. Now he's trying to move in on her again.
Mama.
Look at him moving closer to her. So like I was saying, can we finish our conversation now that your boy gone?